Imagine spending 3 years learning boxing, only to discover you started from the wrong chapter. That's exactly what happened to me. I learned punches first, but nobody taught me the system underneath them. And until you understand that system, every punch you throw is built on a weak foundation. Today, you'll learn boxing the way elite fighters actually build it.
I trained boxing for years, the wrong way. I learned punches before I learned how to think. Nobody taught me the system underneath the punches. If someone had shown me this on day one, I would have skipped years of frustration. Here it is.
Most beginners think boxing is about punches. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Memorize them, drill them, done. That's not boxing. That's just throwing your arms around. Here's the truth. Boxing is a system, a layered system. Stance, then movement, then defense, then offense, then combinations, then strategy. Skip a layer, and everything above it collapses. Most people skip straight to punching. That's why most people plateau fast. Layer 1, your stance. This is the foundation of everything. Feet shoulder-width apart. Lead foot pointed slightly inward. Back heel slightly raised. Knees soft, never locked. Chin tucked, hands up, elbows in. Here's why this matters so much. Every punch, every slip, every pivot starts and ends in this position. If your stance is wrong, your power leaks, your balance breaks, your defense opens up. Master the stance before anything else. Layer 2, footwork. This is the layer most beginners completely ignore. They stand flat-footed and just trade punches. Real boxing happens on moving feet. Step, don't jump. Push off the ball of your back foot. Glide forward, glide back, glide side to side. Never cross your feet. Never let your feet come together. Stay balanced at every single moment. Footwork is what creates angles, and angles are what win fights. Not raw power, angles. Layer 3, defense. And this is the layer I wish someone forced on me early. Most beginners learn offense first. That's backwards. Learn to not get hit before you learn to hit. Slipping, rolling, parrying, blocking. Practice these until they're instinct. Here's why this order matters. A fighter who can't get hit can fight forever. A fighter who can only hit gets caught and finished. Defense isn't boring. Defense is what keeps your career alive. Layer 4, the jab. Not the cross, not the hook. The jab comes first. Always. The jab is not a setup punch. It is your entire offense in disguise. It measures distance. It disrupts your opponent's rhythm. It sets up everything else you throw. Fighters who skip jab mastery end up wild and predictable. Fighters who master the jab control the entire fight before they even commit to power shots. Throw 1,000 jabs before you worry about your hook. Layer 5, power punches. Cross, hook, uppercut. Now, and only now, you add these in. Here's the key most beginners miss. Power doesn't come from the arm. It comes from rotation. Hips turn first. Shoulders follow. Fist arrives last. If you punch with just your arm, you're leaving most of your power on the table. Every power punch is a small whip. Ground, legs, hips, shoulder, fist. In that order, every time. Layer 6,
Combinations. This is where single punches become a system. A combination is not random punches strung together. It's a sentence. Each punch sets up the next one. Jab opens the guard. Cross exploits the opening. Hook finishes the angle. Start with simple 2-punch combos. Then build to 3, then 4. Never add a punch you can't control. Speed without control is just noise. Layer 7. Ring IQ. This is the layer that separates good fighters from great ones. It's not about throwing more. It's about throwing at the right time. Reading your opponent's rhythm. Knowing when they're about to attack. Knowing when they're exposed. This comes from one thing only. Reps. Thousands of rounds. You cannot shortcut ring IQ. But you can build it faster by focusing on the layers before it. Here's how to actually train this system. Week 1 and 2, stance and footwork only. No punching. Week 3 and 4, add defense drills. Slipping and blocking. Week 5 and 6, add the jab. Just the jab. Week 7 and 8, add power punches. Week 9 onward, combinations and sparring. This order is not optional. This order is the entire point. 3 mistakes that slow this whole system down. 1. Rushing to combinations too early. 2. Ignoring footwork because it feels boring. It is the most important layer. 3. Treating defense as optional. It is not optional. It is the layer that keeps you in the fight. Respect the order. The system works because of the order. This is the system I wish I had on day 1. Stance, footwork, defense, jab, power, combinations, ring IQ. 7 layers. Built in order. Never skipped. Follow this and you won't waste years like I did. Start with layer 1. Today.
Like the video. Share with others. Subscribe for more. Support the channel. Keep learning.